Hey, what is up YouTube? I'm back with a new video, and in this one I'm going to show you how you can earn $3 over and over with your mobile phone PayPal money right to your PayPal account. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. It is a worldwide method. Okay, it's a legit way and you're going to love it. Okay, so by the end of this video you're going to learn two legit ways to make money with your mobile phone, the two apps that you will have to download, and some pro tips to boost your income and get more offers. Okay, so let's get to the video. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell like that to stay informed whenever I put a new video. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. So the first one on our list is Surveys on the Go. So Surveys on the Go, guys, you can download the application from App Store or Play Store. That depends on the mobile phone that you use. First of all, you should sign up for an account, download the application, and get paid cash. Like you see in here, this is the website. So what you have to do is to take surveys on different fields and specialties, and like you're seeing here, the pay rate varies, sometimes low but sometimes higher than usual, but you can make a decent amount of money if you're consistent enough. Like you're seeing here, there are a lot of things that you can take surveys for: general surveys, lifestyle, media, demographics, technology, interests, lifestyle. So this is a legit website and you're going to like it. So right now I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so this is how it works. Like you see in here, this is like a short review for the application. You can click on the video and take a look at it. Okay, like you're seeing here, this is a 30 seconds video. Okay, you just go to the website and take a look at it.
Want to make some cash? Want your opinion heard? We'll pay you for your opinions on all kinds of topics. Download the free Surveys on the Go app for your iPhone or Android. Answer a few quick questions to let us know more about you, and that's it. You're ready to make some money. Just take some surveys and get paid. It's easy and it's free. Download the free Surveys on the Go app right now.
Alright, so let's assume that you want to download the application. Let's take a look at Google Play. Okay, let's just assume that you have an Android phone and that you want to download the application. So what you have to do is to go to Surveys on the Go, okay, and you download it. But before you do this, just take a look at the reviews, guys. Like 4.5, this is the general review out of 65,200 total people that reviewed this application and made a rating for this application. This is actually amazing, like 4.5 out of 65,000. Okay, so take a look at those reviews. Excellent reviews, people are loving it, and this is why I'm showing you this application on this video. Okay, so people are making money, and this is why I want you to make money too. So just make sure to download this application, and based on my personal experience, guys, you can make up to $3 in just 10 minutes, and they pay in time. And this is what I love actually about this website. They pay in time. But here is an important tip for you. Sometimes you will get some surveys with $0 payout. Those are not surveys actually you profit from, but they send those surveys so they can send you more surveys that fits you. As I said before, you just be consistent and take all the surveys, and by the time you will get high paying surveys. So let me show you how you can download this application. Okay, or yeah, you just have to go to Play Store and do it. So it's not something important, it's not that complicated. Okay, and again, take a look at the reviews, guys. Take a look at the reviews, actually amazing. Okay, so the second one in our list, guys, is iPull. So this is the website of iPull. So actually it is a legit website too. It is not a website, it is an application too. Okay, so the second one is iPull. All you have to do is to take simple surveys and you can do that on the go too. So flexible because all you need is just a mobile phone, and all you have to do is answering questions about products that you use and places you visit. It may seem weird to you, but they have partnered with big companies, and those companies need your opinion to improve the quality or to change the look or the color of the products. Okay, so this is how it works, and this is why you will get paid, because those companies will pay Apple, and Apple will share the split with you. Okay, will split the profit with you. Okay, so that will help the market to product and get more sales, and that is why a company like Apple will pay you, and you will get paid through PayPal or Amazon gift card or App Store and iTunes. So this is actually amazing, but for me, I don't care about Amazon gift card. All I care about is PayPal money, because this is like pure cash or PayPal or money. Okay, I don't care about Amazon gift cards, and also Amazon gift cards is not for all the countries. It's just like for United States. But also make sure that you live in one of those countries. Okay, just make sure that you live in one of those countries for this application. It's not gonna work worldwide. It's just for those countries. If you live in one of them, then this is actually great. You can go to the website right now and download it. Okay, you can download it here for the iPhone if you have an iPhone, and you can download it here if you have an Android phone. Okay, so this is all for this video, guys. I know that this website or the other one, or this application and the other one, will not make you rich. You will make some extra money. Maybe you can use that money to start a small business and grow it by the time. Okay, maybe you want this as a part-time income. Maybe you want it as a side hustle. I don't know. I don't know about you. I don't know what you need. But if you want to start making some money from the internet, online, from the comfort of your home, you can start right now by just downloading this application and the other one. And why I say the two applications, because nor the first one or the second one are consistent. They will send you jobs, they will send you offers, they will send you surveys, but not all the time. Okay, they will send you those surveys, but they won't send you unlimited surveys. Okay, that's why you have to diversify. You have to download the two applications. Okay, and when you have surveys on the first one, then great. When you don't, go to the second one, and when you don't have surveys in the second one, go back to the first one. Okay, this is how you can make consistent money from the internet, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, and let's see you in the next one. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want, whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box.